Tom here. So this is property just bought today. Actually closing technically tomorrow, but I'm well committed here. I got actually Jose here and his dad Antonio. This is like a true hoarder house. We just took a huge dump load, which I'll run that for you. But look at the swimming pool. Became a giant trash can. This shed, it is, hey, winner. Found something of a tiny bit of value. Awesome. Shit everywhere. Like I say, we hauled almost what you see already out of here. There was so much. This addition, this little addition, this is coming off. It's built like shit. This is going to come down. They dug out the pool, but they left the dirt all the way around it. So the pool will be going in the trash as well. Stuff like this, old ATV. There's a couple of there's a lot of smokers here, a lot of weird homemade smoker grills. I got bit by a pit bull, and I guess this is where they used to keep him when he was outside. But yeah, first day I visited this, I see a dog. Where's that doggy door? Where was that? They had a doggy door. I think it was in that window. Anyhow, they made a homemade doggy door out of one of those windows, and I'm sitting there back behind the junk pile, and I go, oh, I wonder what that is. And then out walks a pit bull, and he looks at me and straight toward me. Bit me on the elbow. But anyways, all this stuff, all this. So we're gonna have the Bobcat here. I actually own 5 other houses in the neighborhood. I've got one that we're just finishing up right now. So Bobcat will come here. We'll get all this stuff scraped out clean. The house is actually, we'll go in the house too. It's gonna be dark, no power. I didn't even see what's behind that shed, but I assume.
Nice track.
Is it? Yeah, of course, yeah. In here, we watch your step. So they had a patio. This is kind of an interesting thing. They had the swimming pool, and so look, for the budget that whomever was here lived here, they were making it as nice as they could for themselves. They put an outdoor shower, bathroom. Now, none of this is permitted and all this crap's coming out. But they made, it was their home, right? You don't have to have $1 million home to make something cool and comfortable for yourself. But they had a little, little sun area out there, a little patio going here. They've got a heater with, for the winter time. Somewhere along the line, things fell apart and didn't go so well, obviously. But this was somebody's home. In here, the floor plan is awesome. I'm not sure how well it's adjusting, but we have a good tile floor. These kitchens are paint grade, but we'll put new quartz or granite countertops on these. This wall will completely come out all the way to the front door. There's a dining room back in there that they changed this into like a bedroom. This stuff happens. We can take a peek in here too, I guess. Ooh. Smells a little bit, but anyways, well, this will all come out. So maybe the floor won't work because we have a different floor in here. But this has great potential and not too much expense associated with it that I can see. And this is my first time seeing all these rooms. I don't care. I know bedroom's a bedroom. I don't have to see it. You make it easy sometimes. The tile. Not what I would put in brand new, but guess what? It looks good. It's not, I don't see any chips or dings. It's got a cast iron tub that works. Air conditioning unit doesn't look that old actually, so that's a plus. Shit, feels weird. Oh, I'm opening it. This door's so shut. I was actually opening it the wrong way.
Jesus.
Now the door is literally, I just broke the door off the hinge. So, But again, this is a little bedroom. So that's okay, little bedroom. I like it. This is where the dog stayed. I walked out a little bit. Oh, master. So we got a master bathroom here. Let's see if we can see. Tile looks good. Tile looks good. Looking good. I'm very pleased. Very pleased with this new acquisition. All right. Okay, let's get out. Well, I hope you liked that. That was a quick tour. You know, I didn't look at this house but 3 or 4 minutes before I decided to buy it. And that's the power. And that's what you'll learn in my mentorship. So go to FlipAnythingUSA.com, get some skills. Go to my free webinar, you'll learn a lot there. If you can get in my mentorship, because I don't let everybody in, but you can apply for it, FlipAnythingUSA.com/mentoring-survey, FlipAnythingUSA.com webinar. But main thing is go there and get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. That's a prerequisite to get into the class. So order the book. It's only 10 or 20 bucks, depending on what format you buy it in. I'll read it to you. It only takes 3.5 hours. You can get it on Audible, Kindle, and paperback. Anyways, hit that subscribe button too. Hit that subscribe button. You do not want to lose sight of my channel. Thanks for watching. Learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate. I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, FlipAnythingUSA.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face to face if you want. Don't waste any time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You don't want to miss my channel. I've been doing it for years.